When life feels a bit too much, a walk in the woods or a moment by the ocean recharges your superpowers. It's like nature, being a living thing, sends out this incredible healing energy, and when you're there, you soak it all in. So, if you dream of a home with an open field view, facing a mountain or the sea, away from the hustle and bustle, you're not just daydreaming, you're tuning into your healer instincts, finding strength in the beauty of the great outdoors. Being super sensitive isn't just a personality trait.